Today, we're going to be making plant-based brioche. This pillowy soft bread is completely vegan thanks to oat milk and aquafaba, or chickpea liquid. In the bowl of a stand mixer, whisk together the oat milk, olive oil, sugar, and aquafaba. Add the instant yeast, salt, 3 cups of flour, and mix until just beginning to combine. Then switch to a dough hook and knead until the dough is smooth, shiny, and elastic looking, about 10 to 20 minutes. Transfer the dough to a large, lightly greased bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a reusable cover and let rise at room temperature for 50 to 60 minutes, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once chilled, divide the dough in half. Divide each half into 6 even pieces and roll them into balls. Lightly grease 2 loaf pans and place 6 balls in each pan, offsetting them slightly. Cover the pans and let rise at room temperature for about 2 hours. When you're almost ready to bake, heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the tops of the loaves with olive oil and sprinkle with flaky sea salt. Bake for 10 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 25 minutes longer until the loaves are golden brown and cooked through. Serve and enjoy with a bit of jam or vegan butter.